Hi there! Do you know that the if function is one of Excel's most powerful functions? In this lesson, I will show you how to use the if function in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. The if function checks if a condition is true or false and returns a result based on that. The formula looks like this. The first part, called the logical test, is the most important. It should always return a true or false answer. It will check for a condition, for example, if the data in your cell is greater than a number or if it's equal to a text value. If the condition is true, it will return the value that you put in the second parameter of your function. And if false, it will return the last value in your function. Let's see a real-world example. Imagine you manage a sales team and want to calculate the bonus for each employee. Those who meet their target would get a 10% bonus, and those who do not meet their target get only 2% bonus. The first step is to determine which employees meet their target. We can use an if function to do so. The logical test in this case is going to be if the sales is greater than or equal to the target. Now, if the employee meets their target, we want to return a yes. And if they don't meet their target, we want to return no. Now, we can drag the formula down. You can see that we have used the if function to determine those employees who meet their targets. Let's format this. Now, let's calculate the bonus for each employee. We're going to multiply the employee sales by the bonus amount. The bonus amount is 10% for those employees who meet their targets. So we can put in a condition that says, if meets target is equal to yes, then let's multiply the sales by 10%. Otherwise, let's multiply the sales by 2%. And we drag the formula down. And that's how easy the if function is. Remember, the logical test should always return true or false for it to work properly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Excel tips, and comment with what you want to learn next. See you in the next lesson.